Hey everyone, my name is Alyssa Zimmerman, and in this month's Product Spotlight, we are talking about the Sigma 85 1.4 art lens. All right, so when it comes to portrait lenses, the 85mm is my go-to lens of choice. First impressions with the Sigma 85 art lens is it is built very, very well. I love the construction of it. It feels good in my hands. I also love the fact that it's a 1.4 lens, so I'm getting that beautiful shallow depth of field with the portraits, giving that milky skin. And finally, I love how quick it is to focus. So a lot of times with 85mm lenses, they are constantly hunting for focus, but not with the Sigma art lens, and that's what I love the most. So all of these points are amazing in theory, but there's no better way to test this than with a real live photo shoot. So let's get started. All right, that is a wrap. I hope you guys love the pictures as much as I do. The Sigma 85 art lens is the perfect portrait lens, and at a price that cannot be beat, there's no reason you should not have this in your bag.